Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mattress steam cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked cleaning tools in your home, but trust me, it's a game changer. Mattresses, harboring dust mites, allergens, and unseen grime, can significantly impact your sleep quality and overall health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mattress steam cleaning, exploring why it's essential, and how the right steam cleaner can transform your sleep sanctuary. Number 5. McCulloch MC1275 Steam Cleaner with 18 accessories. This steam cleaner comes with 18 different accessories. It includes a floor mop, brushes, and more. You can use it for various cleaning tasks around your home. The steam cleaner uses hot, pressured steam to clean. It eliminates grease, grime, and stains without harsh chemicals. This makes it safe for many surfaces. You can detail your car at home with this product. Its powerful steam technology and accessories make it easy to clean tough stains. It ensures every inch of your vehicle is spotless. The steam cleaner has a large 48-ounce water tank. It heats up quickly in under 8 minutes. It provides up to 45 minutes of steam cleaning. It has an extra-long power cord and steam hose. This provides added maneuverability. It helps you reach those hard-to-get-to places. What we like? This steam cleaner comes with a whopping 18 accessories, making it incredibly versatile. It's perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks around the house and even detailing your car. If you are looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution that can handle everything from your mattress to your car's interior, you should consider this. What people say. It is very easy to operate, and the gauge on top keeps you informed when it's ready for use or when to let it recover after use. All the attachments are very handy, and the storage bag is a welcomed plus for keeping it all together. The long hose makes reaching high places very easy. Number 4. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner with 17-piece kit. This steam cleaner uses superheated steam to lift dirt and grime. It cleans, sanitizes, and deodorizes various surfaces naturally. It reaches up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. The kit includes tools for floors, kitchens, bathrooms, and vehicles. It adapts to all your cleaning needs. This versatile kit ensures you have the right tool for the job. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for tight spaces. Its sleek design makes it easy to use in corners and hard-to-reach areas. This makes cleaning effortless. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill. This large tank capacity allows for extended cleaning sessions. You won't have to refill it constantly. This product eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It provides a deep clean, leaving surfaces sanitized. It's tested in a third-party laboratory. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty. This warranty protects against defects in materials and workmanship. It ensures reliable performance and peace of mind. What we like? This steam cleaner offers powerful, chemical-free cleaning, killing 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It comes with a 17-piece kit, making it adaptable to all your cleaning needs. If you are looking for a compact and portable design that can easily maneuver in tight spaces, you should consider this. What people say. It is easy to use and does not leak. The tank on this holds about a half gallon if you bleed it out completely when you fill the tank. Even the small detail brush on this unit will go through grout lines in a snap. Even filthy grout, and mine grows fast, goes much faster than I thought it would. Once I decided to try the brushes on the grout, I was shocked by what I could get up. Even some of the excess mud that was used to fill the tumble travertine and wasn't removed properly when the house was built 10 years ago came off easily. My floors didn't look this clean when the house was built. We can actually walk around with socks and not get the feet black in an hour. That seriously never happened, even with the cleaners with truck-mounted pressure washer units I used to hire every year. Number 3. Wagner 915E Steam Cleaner and Wallpaper Removal. Introducing the Wagner 915E, a multipurpose steamer that uses only steam. It effectively cleans various surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it a safe and eco-friendly cleaning solution. This steamer comes with 18 different attachments and nozzles. These accessories help to loosen and dissolve dirt, grease, and grime on different surfaces. It's designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Removing wallpaper is simple with this tool, and it doesn't require any harsh chemicals. The 8-foot steam hose provides ample reach. It makes the job easier, especially for tall walls. The steamer heats up quickly, reaching 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius in under 9 minutes. It holds up to 40 ounces of water, providing up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning. This ensures you have enough time to complete your cleaning tasks. Using the steamer is straightforward. Just attach your desired accessory, add up to 40 ounces of distilled water, and turn it on. The orange light will indicate when it's ready to use. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. What we like. This steamer is specifically designed for wallpaper removal, making it a unique choice. It also offers a high temperature and long run time for effective cleaning. If you like the idea of easily removing wallpaper without harsh chemicals, you should consider this. What people say. It has several different attachments for your needs and fires out the steam forcefully. It works great on my sliding glass door track at loosening up weathered dirt grit that accumulates and makes the door slide more smoothly. I use the round nylon brush on the grout between the floor tiles in our walk-in shower. With few passes of steam and elbow grease, I was really surprised how well the steamer did at cleaning the grout. Number 2. Comforday Handheld Steam Cleaner with 9 accessories. This handheld steam cleaner is perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks. It comes with multiple accessories to help you clean different surfaces and areas around your home. The kit includes an extended nozzle, brushes, and more. These accessories make it versatile for cleaning different surfaces, from floors to windows. This steam cleaner works on sealed surfaces like ceramic, vinyl, and hardwood. It's great for kitchens, bathrooms, and even car interiors. It heats up quickly and provides continuous steam for up to 20 minutes. The long cord allows you to move around easily, cutting through grease and stains effectively. This cleaner uses steam, so there are no harmful chemicals or residues left behind. It's safe for your family and the environment. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you need any help, our customer care team is always here to assist you. What we like. This handheld steam cleaner includes 9 accessories, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. It is also chemical-free and safe, ensuring an eco-friendly cleaning experience. If you are looking for a safe and versatile cleaner for your home, you should consider this. What people say. The urine smell disappeared and my car seats looked better. My mattress was refreshed, steamed cleaned my cat's favorite rug, the toilet looked and smelled better, etc. I love the scrub brush for anything sticky or tacked on food especially, and I usually give it a good rinse and let it dry before use again. The curtain fabric cleaner works well for steaming mattresses or anything made of fabric. I have also used the mirror glass cleaner a few times and like it too. Number 1. Vapamore MR100 Primo Steam Cleaner. Introducing the Vapamore MR100 Primo Steam Cleaner. This premium cleaner brings professional-grade steam cleaning to your home. It effectively cleans and sanitizes various surfaces. This steam cleaner uses only water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. It harnesses the power of ultra-high temperature steam to clean your home. You'll love how clean everything is. The MR100 comes with over 20 attachments for versatile cleaning. It makes cleaning simple and efficient. You can disinfect multiple surfaces with ease. Built to last, the Vapamore MR100 offers a lifetime warranty. This demonstrates the company's commitment to quality. Support is available via phone and email. Vapamore, originating from Italy, combines water and heat into advanced steam cleaning technology. The name reflects the company's passion. It is the love of steam. What we like. This steam cleaner offers professional-grade cleaning with a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term value. It sanitizes without chemicals, making it a healthy choice for your home. If you like the peace of mind that comes with a lifetime warranty and professional-grade cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. It's clear that a lot of engineering and design went into this piece of equipment. The size is perfect, very easy to pick up and transport around the house. The cord is just the right length and easily retracts back into the machine. I love the convenient storage for the small attachments, which are neatly contained on the back of the machine. The power of the machine belies the fact that it is consumer grade. It produces plenty of steam to get the job done. The smaller attachments are great for getting in nooks and crannies, or irregularly shaped items. This unit is very sturdy and well built. I love how many attachments there are for different uses. The grout brush works amazing. A little pressure and steam brought it back to new. I was sold on this unit right there. I have 5 boys love that I can just steam away germs and bacteria on every surface without effort. The self-stow-away cord is a big plus for me as well as the storage for the attachments. The ease of use and instructions show thought went into this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.